Hi, I'm Michelle Fox. I am an independent beauty consultant for a skincare and cosmetics company, and I've been doing that for over 20 years. And I have been building a team. Recently, I've had quite a bit of success using social media to expand my team, expand my customer base, and I realized that I really enjoy teaching other small business owners how to use social media to expand and enrich their business. And so I've decided to have some very short and sweet tutorials on how to just make some really minor adjustments that will have big payoff ultimately. So today I just want to talk about 5 super simple things that you can do right now that will start creating leads on Facebook for your business. These are not salesy. These are not gimmicky. These are not something where your friends are going to roll their eyes and think, oh, here we go again. Not at all. That's what makes it so beautiful. It's all very organic, very natural, very dynamic because it's coming from a place of enthusiasm and of positive attitude, positive thinking, and you're going to love it. Okay? So, assuming that you have a Facebook page, a Facebook wall, a personal page, the first thing that you want to do is to make that public. I know that's a shocker. And if you have small children, you may not want to take this step, but you are now a public persona. If you have a small business and you're ready to brand yourself and to branch out and to let everyone know what you do, who you are, and to use social media to enhance that, then it is time to allow people to take a peek into your personal life. And you do that by making your personal wall public. It's a big step. It kind of seemed, strange to me at first as well, but it's something you can do quickly, easily. So that's number 1. Make your personal page public rather than private. The second thing to do is if you don't already have a business page, a Facebook business page, you want to create one. I'm not talking about groups. I'm talking about a business page. It's completely different than a group. Why do I think you need a business page? So many reasons. I will have a separate video on it, but primarily that is your online business card. That is showing other people that you are legit. When someone hears your name in association with your business and they type that into the Facebook search bar and they see your business page with 1,000 followers and they see your website and contact information and the services that you offer and a catalog, an online catalog, etc., you become legit. You need that for your social presence. That's number 2. Business page. Easy. It's step by step, tells you what to do, how to do it. Just fill in the blanks, okay? Trust me. Step number 3, you want to create from the business page. Let me repeat. From your business page, you are going to create a group for your customers. This group is going to be different than any group you've probably done before because it's going to be value-based. It's going to be a group where your goal is to enrich the lives of these people, whether they are purchasing from you or not, where you are offering information that you have, things that you know, skills that you possess, and you're encouraging them and you're providing some humor. You're providing an opportunity for them to interact. It's going to be completely different than simply a place for you to pitch, your wares and to sell things and to ask them to book parties and that sort of thing. This is going to be a value-based group, but we are going to make it from your business page because when you do that, you have different kinds of administrative abilities that you do not have if you create the group from your personal page. So you don't have to create it today, but know that you are going to create it. So today's number 3 is going to be to think about what would you like to call that group. it should be something not necessarily about you or even about your business per se, like the name of your business, the international corporate name of your business, but more like what is your passion, what is your goal, what is your specialty. So start thinking about keywords and phrases and adjectives and buzzwords, and look at other people's groups and see if something starts to give you an idea. So for example, I have a group that is called Beauty Through the Ages, and I sell skincare and color cosmetics. I'm in my 50s, but fortunately, I have connected with younger people primarily through social media. And so I service people from, teens all the way to retirement and beyond. So I wanted to show that. I wanted to show that I believe that we are beautiful, at every age, and that I service people at every age. So that's an example of something that I'm talking about. So number 3 is that you are going to have a business group. It is going to be birthed from your business page, but we're not quite ready to go there yet. So I would suggest that you just start brainstorming some keywords, phrases, adjectives, so that we can come up with a really creative name for that group. Number 4, I would like you to post a selfie on your personal page using the product or a product that you particularly love. If there is something that you remember, oh boy, when I used that, that was what really made me decide to sell this. Or this is my best seller. Or this is something that I have samples of that I could easily distribute samples of. Something, along those lines. And let's see how I can give you an example. You're going to have a selfie. You are going to use a product, but you are not going to show the name of the product or the brand. So, I could have a picture sort of like this, like this, click. This was the product that started it all, something like that. It's a teaser post. We're teasing because we're not giving the all of the information. We're not telling them the name of the product, the name of your company yet. And we are wanting them to ask us for more information rather than always like kind of, frankly, vomiting all of our sales information to our friends. Wouldn't it be nice if they come to us and say, tell me more? That looked interesting. What was that? I couldn't see the name of it. That's what we are going for. So I want you to take a selfie with a product that you sell or represent, hide the name of the product and the brand, and just do something cute and simple, click, and make a caption that is something that will bring up or stir up conversation, an open-ended question like, can anybody guess what this is? Or can anybody guess why I love this? Or this was the very first product in this line that I ever tried. Can anyone guess what it is? Something where you're getting engagement. And this is key. You need to engage also. You can like your own post. You can comment on your own post. You can tag groups in your own posts. So for example, in the future, when you are posting on your group page, your customer group page, you can tag that very customer group. And do you know what's going to happen? They will get a notice in their feed that they've been tagged in a post, just as if you called them out by name. And they'll think, what's that about? And they're going to read that post. Okay? Tuck that one away. That's extra. So number 4 is to take a selfie with a product that you love, but you're hiding the name of the product itself and the company name. Easy so far, right? Just one more to go. I would like you to invite your friends on your main personal page to like and follow, both like and follow your new business page. So you might need a little bit of a time lag between number 3 and number 5 because you're going to, or I guess it's number 2. In number 2, you're making your Facebook business page. You're going to need some time to get that set up. And once it's set up, even with bare bones information, you're going to go in and you can either personally message people. I'll leave it up to you. Or you can make a post and just say, hey friends, I just started a brand new business page and I would love for you to like and follow me, and then provide the link. That's it. Don't mention the name of the company. Don't mention what you sell. Just say, I made a new page. I would like you to like and follow me. That's it. People want to help you. And so the less that you go off on a tangent about what it is you do and what it is you sell, and make it just something where you're just being not mysterious, but where you're coming off as like, I am confidently pursuing this and I don't feel the need to tell you every little iota of information about it. There's something about that confidence that comes from, I totally love this product. Oh my gosh. And then without saying it's, has this ingredient and that ingredient and it's $12 an ounce and, and you can get it here and here's the link and I'm putting it on sale and, blah, 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 blah. Talk less. Less is more. And increase the mystery, increase the magnetism, the quotient that people are like, what is she about? What is she talking about? What is that product? Especially if something has like an actual result that you can see. Start or even if you make recipes, if you sell Tastefully Simple or you do Pampered Chef or something like that, start taking photos of, beautiful dishes that you've created and just say, look at this. It's pretty as a picture. Or, ask yourself, what could I say that showcases what I sell without mentioning what I sell? You follow me? It's a different way of thinking, isn't it? You might think, oh my gosh, this isn't getting me any leads. Trust me, we're going somewhere, okay? These are just 5 simple things you can do right now that we will build on it and you will get leads from it, okay? Make your personal page public. You're going to create a business page. You're going to start brainstorming, what do you want your group to be about? What do you want it to represent? You're going to take a selfie using a product that you love without showing the name of the product or the name of your company. And you're going to invite friends to like and follow your business page. Okay? Easy peasy. So go for it. And I'll come back and tell you what to do. All right.